Whole metal bone replacement we can do. How about regeneration? We're working on it. How can we learn such a thing? By studying one of the creatures that can. Salamanders.
We're working on this animal. It has this remarkable ability. That's a superpower.
The axolotl has a fascinating ability. If it loses a part of its body, it can grow it back, whether it's a leg, the tail, the jaw, an eye, or even the heart. The researchers have discovered the genetic program responsible for this in the animal cells. Some of the genes even resemble those responsible for healing wounds in human beings. Cells at the site of the wound are reprogrammed to become skin, muscle, or bone tissue. When scientists implant this gene in the skin cells of mice, the cells turn into muscle cells. Researchers have already found some of the transmitter substances that start the process and stimulate the regrowth of the tail or leg.
We can regenerate fingertips, and that's been known for a long time. With an amputation here and an amputation here is the difference in our ability to understand regeneration. We don't do anything here, it regenerates. If you amputate here, it doesn't regenerate. So if I could just figure out how to regenerate a fingertip from an amputation here, you could regrow a whole finger, grow a hand, a whole arm.
The researchers in Dresden think that in species like humans, the ability to regenerate complete limbs or organs was suppressed in the course of evolution. But the researchers believe that what they learned from the axolotl may someday be a boon for mankind. That in the future, people will be able to regrow limbs just like the axolotl.
In our embryonic state, we share this superpower with the salamander. We can grow limbs.
An adult regenerates a complete leg in just 10 weeks, as this time-lapse film shows.
So like Wolverine, you just wake up every day and look at it and say, huh, it's getting bigger.
Because it shares 90% of the same genes as humans.
All the evidence is consistent with it happening. So it will happen, just a matter of when.